Good evening, junkies. Welcome to eminijunkie.com, your ES Trading Mentor's free trading video for Monday, February 8th, 2010. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a maximum potential of 28 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only, is intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at eminijunkie.com. Okay, we opened up this morning right on our 4 o'clock close at 62.75. Started trading to the downside almost immediately. We got a little bit of a pullback to our moving average. That produced targets 1, but no follow through to the downside, so we ended up with a 2-tick loss on that particular trade. And as the market moved back above the moving average, we did not get a signal to go long, but it rotated down one more time. We got another signal to get short. That produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 8 ticks. As the market moved all the way down to the Globex low and the pivot area, found a little bit of support. Got a nice bounce off that pivot. Market actually started moving higher quite rapidly. We got a pullback for a nice signal long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 for 18 ticks. As the market moved all the way up to Friday's trading day high, found a little bit of resistance there, rotated back down, started chopping a little bit sideways. In this chop, in the room we like to stay out of that trade, but we did get a signal to fire long that produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 6 ticks. And then coming off of that, again, like happens so much in chop, you get a signal to get short, and that ended up being a full stop out. You ended up buying in the middle of this little range here, and that basically was a 14-tick stop out on that particular trade. But so often as happens when you get stopped out of a trade, the next trade is a pretty good one. We actually got a signal to get long right at our 10:45 confirmation time, produced targets 1 and targets 2 to the upside for 7 ticks as the market started trading up towards its Globex high. Went slightly past its Globex high, didn't get any more opportunities before our dead zone. Between 11:30 and 1:15 we elect not to take any trades. That's the red area you see on my chart here. That's because volume dries up a little bit at lunch, volatility tends to increase, so we just stay away to protect ourselves a little bit. And as you can see, coming out of lunch, the market was trading off. We had to wait for our next signal, which would have been a signal to get long. We actually got that signal right about 2:20. That produced targets 1 to the upside, no follow through. Actually got stopped out of our second portion of that for a 2-tick loss. No big deal. As we came out of that trade, we actually got a rotation to get short. Little micro trade, targets 1 and targets 2 for 7 ticks to the downside, and the market ended up selling off after 3. And we stopped trading at 3 for the same reason. It gets a little violent, and by this time we've already done enough business for the day. So that's it today. 8 trades, 28 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room or video newsletter, please visit us at eminijunkie.com. Thanks, and make it a great day.